Today we're looking at the pinch weld covers from RCI. These first two bolts I'm pointing out here, they only require the bolt and the washer. They screw into the factory holes. These rest of these back through here, you actually have to put a bolt in a washer and then put on the opposite side a washer and a nut. That's all the way back, even the second piece as well. Basically, this install is really easy. All you do is just line everything up and then position it the way you want it and then tighten it down. You know, you also just want to make sure there's no gap between the two pieces. This is for the 4-door, obviously, so excuse the dirt there. That was from when they took the rock sliders off. I hadn't had a chance to rinse it off yet, so just wanted to put these on before we put, as you can see here, we're putting our rock sliders on as well from RCI, but since they're frame mounted, I want to put the pinch meld covers on well, just to make it look a little neater, a little nicer, a little cleaner. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy this. Please like and subscribe. Please hit that alert button so you don't miss any new videos, and we hope to see you around for more videos to come. Thank you so much.